Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel. In our today's video, I'm going to transform this old clutch to a new one. Here is the full look, and I had just clear all the leather from the outer covering using my scissor or any sharp knife or anything which you have. You can use that. Just clear all the leather from the outer covering. Then I have a golden sheet which I'm going to place at the bottom for the purpose of having a base, because when we will apply some kundan or the stone on it, it will be obvious that the base will be more visible. So we should have to cover it using any cloth. If you have any piece of cloth, you can also use that for the purpose of covering the base. So here I had covered it, and now I am going to cover the edges using the stone chain. All these things are available at my home, so I am going to use them. Whatever you have at home, you can use that. It is not necessary or mandatory to purchase the new things. Whatever you have at home, you can use that. Just try to utilize the old thing. Just try to recycle the old stuff, and don't waste resources. So the first and foremost important thing which I had done, I had applied the glue and just cover the edges using the white stone chain, and I gave 2 layers of white stone chain, and then I had applied another color that was green because my dress was in green color. So I had decided to paste a few stones in green color, maroon color, and red color and green color, because all these colors are in my dress, so I would like to go with them. This was my old clutch, but it was new. You can see that I had not even removed the tag from it, and the outer covering was made up of leather. So with the passage of time, the leather goes on destroying, and with the passage of time it just ruined. And so I had decided to recycle this clutch and utilize, because it is very neat and clean from the outer structure, and also the inner part is very clean. So here I have some kundan which were in golden color, which I had applied, and after the application of them, I would like to paste some stones. Make sure that you are applying all the material very close to each other, and try to make sure that you are using the greater quantity of glue, so that they will be keep on stick with the base. So after the application of this golden kundan, I have some stones. These are the gemstones which are available at my home, which I had used. These were in different color, so I had tried to give a multicolor, so it will go with all the dresses. I had given green, blue, white, red, gray, and golden and pinkish. All these colors were available, so I had pasted them all. After the application, I had applied the stone chain around all these stones, and make them more beautiful. After that, I had pasted kundans which were larger in shape. You can use any shape of kundans, like square, triangle, round, whatever you have. I have in round shape, so I had applied all of them, but for the purpose of covering the spaces, I had used the small shape kundans, and I had also covered the outer covering of these kundans with stone chains, and it was giving really amazing look. So I hope you guys like my work. These stone clutches are very trendy nowadays. These are available at all the markets, and I will also like to share that these are very expensive nowadays because the people are very crazy about purchasing such clutches. I had made at my home, which was very convenient and easy for me. So I hope you guys like our today's video. If you guys like, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, must watch in the end and enjoy the final look of this Clutch. Thank you for being part of my channel.